Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Ruby. Today we are going to learn about the strings. Okay, so let's get started. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. A string is a sequence of characters enclosed in quotes, right? Ruby allows strings to be created using the single quote or the double quotes. Okay, so this is a string when we have the quotes, double quote, my dot, single quote. So this is how you can declare the strings. Okay, so here we go with this one. Okay, so this is how we can declare the strings. Next, string interpolation. You can insert the variable or Ruby code into a string using interpolation, which works only with the double quotes. Okay, so suppose we have declared the each, right, and puts I am here. You can see we can adding, okay, the age with hash. Okay, so you can insert a variable or the Ruby code into a string using interpolation, right? So here you can see that, right? String concatenation. I want to concatenate means addition, right? So this is how we can do that. Let me show you. So this is the full name. Okay, so I'm here, you can see that concatenate, so it will come John Doe. Okay, and with the help of the arrow operators, here you can see you can also do the like this. Okay, full name, add the junior. Okay, so John Doe junior will add. Okay, so with the help of plus operator, with the help of this operator, you can also use. Okay, so strings can be joined together using the plus operator and this operator also. Okay, next, common string methods. First one, that is length. So if just print puts hello dot length, it will give you the output. So how many characters we have. Okay, returns the length of the string, that means number of characters. Uppercase and the downcase converts the string to the uppercase and the lowercase. Okay, so puts hello uppercase world downcase. So hello uppercase means uppercase, all characters are in capital letters and it's in small letters. Okay, if you want to capitalize the first character of the string, go with capitalize. Okay, next we have a strip, removes the leading and the trailing white spaces. If you want to remove the white spaces from the left and the right, you will go with the strip. Okay, so it will strip the white spaces from the string. Split splits a string into an array based on the delimiter, right? So if you want to, like, we have a string, if you want to convert into the array, so you have to use the split method and the delimiter means whether it's to be empty space, whether it's to be a comma, whether it's to be a hyphen, anything, so it will convert it to the array. Okay, gsub substitutes all the occurrences of the substring with another string. Okay, so this is for that one, it will substitute that value. Okay, next one, accessing characters and the substrings. So you can use this one, string 0, so output p, string 04, output porg. So starting from index 0 and return 4 characters, that it means. Okay, negative indices can also be used. Okay, so for you here you can put string -1, so it will give you the last character. Okay, so I think that's okay. There is also one thing, that is converting between strings and the array. Okay, so you can convert a string to an array using the split. Okay, so this is our string, I want to convert into an array, so you can use the split method, array to string. So here you can see we have already the array, I want to make a string, so you can use the join with whatever delimiter you want, hyphen, comma, anything. Okay, regular expressions and the string. Regular expressions allow patterns matching with the strings. For example, to check if a string contains digits, so you can use go with a match, and here you write the expression, which expression you want to match. Okay, string comparison, sometimes we need comparison. Strings can be compared using double equal to or with the help of this. Puts apple equal to apple always returns true, and with this one also output to be -1, lexical comparison would be take place. Okay, so that's it for the string. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.